Hey guys, welcome back. Quick video for you. An Orange County Sheriff deputy has been arrested on suspicion of burglary after authorities say that he stole items from a Yorba Linda home where an elderly man had recently died. Officials alleged that the deputy, identified as Steve Hortz, who has been with the department for 12 years, broke into the home at least 3 times, with his visits, quote-unquote visits, captured on surveillance video provided to the sheriff's department by an estate attorney. In the early mornings of August 10 and 16, Hortz removed items including weapon safes, ceiling fans, and cases containing unknown items from the home. He also entered the property while in uniform on July 27th. It is unclear whether any items were taken at that time. The deputy had initially responded to a call for service at the home on July 20th regarding a man in his 70s who had died, apparently from natural causes. Deputy Hortz was arrested on Thursday morning, September 10th, and has been placed on administrative leave, and the sheriff's department says they plan to investigate previous calls that he handled. The Orange County Sheriff, Don Barnes, pledged to, quote, hold accountable deputies who would not honor the oath they swore to uphold, unquote. He also said that this deputy will be held accountable through a swift and thorough process, including a full criminal and internal administrative investigation. I don't know about you, but I would prefer that the investigation was not internal. Let me know down below what you think should be done with this deputy, and I will catch you in the next one. Here's the video. Hey everybody, before we continue, I am currently being sued by a sergeant of the Chicago Police Department, and while I cannot give specific details of the case, I can give you a little bit of information, and if you would like to find out what is going on, there's a link down below to my GoFundMe. There you can help by donating to cover my legal costs, and any funds that are left over will be donated back to the community, to those that fight for our First and Second Amendment rights. Thank you for your consideration. That concludes our video for today. Please subscribe and turn on all notifications so you never miss a video. If you're old here, like, share, comment down below what you think of this interaction, and consider a channel membership or merch to further support the channel. If you have an incident you'd like us to review, link it down below or contact us through the social media platforms linked in the description.